How to check and manage spam on Yahoo Mail app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can manage spam on your Yahoo Mail app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, you can simply open up Yahoo Mail app. Make sure you're logged in into your account. There you can see I'm already logged in. And after you've logged in, you should start seeing your mails like this. So now to go ahead and check your spam, tap on the inbox option on the bottom left. Right there you'll find different options including spam. Tap on spam and now you have just seen all the spam that is available right here. If you want to delete it, you can simply select all of these. You can tap on the select all option and tap on delete if you want to delete it. If you want to move a specific item to your inbox, you can select that and tap on move. Select where you want to move it and move it from there as well. And yeah, you can manage all of your spam from here. Let me select all and then delete it. And yeah, that's basically how you find and manage your spam on Yahoo Mail app. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.